525RX. I've had it for about 2 years now. Still loving it. Obviously, it's a little dirty from wear and tear and use here, but it starts every time, no problem. A few pumps of the gas, 2 pulls, it's good. No problem at all every time start. One thing I do like still a lot is this head right here is quick disconnect. Yeah, so the head being able to quickly come off is awesome. Also, you can quickly switch this out for a metal blade if you'd like, if you're going through stuff that's a little thicker, things that are like a finger or thumb width in the woods. If you're going through like pricker bushes and stuff like that, you might want to swap it out for something more heavy duty. It's held up so far so good. We really like it. 1 tank of gas usually gets me for the majority of the job, and yeah, it's great shape. It's an awesome product. Has the quick clean of the filter. Just take that off and have access to your filter here, which I could definitely use a little bit of a clean, but starts up no problem. Thing's great. I have 0 complaints at all. I would highly recommend. I am not at all upset about buying this. I'm not sponsored by this. I would love to be sponsored by Husqvarna. All right, so now let's watch me use it. Kill switch, nice and quick, turns it off. Power control, has 2 hands, so it's super easy to control. It's basically weightless because it's strapped to your full body here, and you can just tug to make this higher or lower. So it's just tighter, which allows this to then be increased. You can quick disconnect. Also, this pad's nice because it's not hitting your leg every time. It's kind of blocking, distributing the weight, so it's not going to give you a bruise or anything like that. So disconnect, you just press that, you're off, and you can toss it in the back of your truck, grab it, put it on, good to go. So highly recommend it. We love it still, and yeah, you will too.